Let's unbox this latest and one of the hit code of Ella Formal, the Stardom Handwork Formal article. Let me first unwrap it. This is one of the very heavily embellished front panel bottom part. Overall crystal work, nalki and sitara. Turning it over so you can see front upside part is also totally embellished. Now this is the another front panel, identically loaded with beautiful material. You can see by your own. Keeping it aside, now have a glance at sleeves. You can see how much amazing it is, with very fine borders it has. Beautiful flowers made of material, also the sequence work. I can see it is loaded with pearls work over there. Turning it over so you can see upside part of sleeves, it is also sequence work and some crystal work over there. Now I am having another borders in my hands. I guess this is for the front border. It has a lot delicate material being used over here. I hope my camera is doing justice with this border. You can see it is fully loaded overall. Material is sewn very well, not dangling over here or there. At this moment, I am having back side of shirt. It is not plain back. It is with sequence work and two tones resham work overall. Very delicate and fine works being made. This is again another panel of back. Now it is back border. Very heavy sequence work border. You can see sequence with resham work, really enhancing the saffron color of this article. Keeping it aside, now I can see this tiny borders, definitely for dupatta edges. It is carrying sequence touch overall with resham work. I can imagine it will really uplift the charm of dupatta. Now I can carry the dupatta with identical borders we have seen before, fully resham work, sequence work overall, based on very soft net. You can easily carry it anywhere. Again I can see one more border hidden inside, loaded and fully packed with crystal, pearls, Swarovski, sitara, nalki and sequence work overall. I believe this is for the sleeves. Yeah, this is sleeves border. Can you imagine how beautiful it will look after the stitching? I can say this is enough to gain all the attraction. Last but not least, some enough raw silk fabric for trouser and innerwear. It's time to like this video.